Hello, everybody. Have you ever tried editing photos or scenes, but the character keeps looking different every time? So within Google's Nano Banana inside Gemini, we can create consistent character edits across multiple scenes fast and easy. So you can open up Gemini for that. And then once you open up Gemini, you will be finding this right here. You can head over to the Gemini website or the app. So what you can do here is you can go ahead and start with uploading the first image first of all. So look out for this plus icon, click on it. Look out for upload files, click on it. And once you click on it, you can select the image. For example, this one right here. After that, click on open and head it over here. Now what you can do is you can upload it and then give it a prompt. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and type in a prompt. For example, make this character wear a red hoodie and have short, straight hair, something like this. And once you're happy with the look, you can even just go ahead and copy this prompt, Control plus C, and straight up copy for it for a while. And once you are happy with your prompt, you can just go ahead and hit enter once the image is uploaded. Now here we have found the results. So once you are happy with the look, you can just, as I said earlier, maybe you have already copied the prompt. If you have not, you can just go ahead and copy this prompt right here, which will be your character style guide. Now the next thing you can do is you can just go ahead and now upload a second or third image with the same character in a new settings. So you can just go ahead and look out for upload files and look out for the same picture. Click on it, click on open, and there you can just go ahead and paste the prompt that you copied earlier and nano hit enter. Just go ahead and do so. And once you do so, you can look out for the image, and Nano Banana will apply the same hairstyle, clothes, or features consistently. Even if you notice small differences in the picture, what you can do is you can just go ahead and refine your prompt by adding more details here in the section, like saying keep the hoodie red or something similar. And after that, it will the more consistent your wording is, the more consistent the results will be. And that's it. That will basically that is how you do consistent character edits across all of your scenes by just few clicks. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more tips.